If you've lost access to your Discord account and no longer have access to the email associated with it, you can still attempt to recover your account. Follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Discord login page. Go to the Discord login page on your web browser or open the Discord app. Click on the Forgot Your Password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your username. In the password recovery form, enter your Discord username and any other required information. This helps Discord identify your account even if you don't have access to the email. Step 3. Check for alternative recovery options. After submitting your username, check if Discord offers alternative recovery options, such as sending a verification code to your linked phone number if you have one registered. Step 4. Contact Discord support. If you cannot recover your account using the previous steps, visit the Discord support page. Fill out the support form with as much detail as possible about your account, including your username and any previous email addresses. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your request to Discord support, be patient. They may take some time to respond, so keep an eye on your email if you regain access or check the support ticket for updates. By following these steps, you can increase your chances of recovering your Discord account without access to your email. Good luck!